Phone contacts not showing up in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have your WhatsApp application updated to its latest version. So as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back and then tap on the settings of the device and then scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps, and as you tap on manage apps, you can tap on the search apps and search for WhatsApp application over here. You can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, so tap on clear data and then clear cache. Next, you can go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggle on the option of contacts over here, especially because your phone contact is not showing up in WhatsApp. So just tap on the contact and make sure that you have given that access to this option. Then check all the options and then go back and tap on the WhatsApp application and launch it, and this problem might be fixed. So thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.